Hey guys, this is Haley from Crafty Wing 15. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a magic ring. I'm going to teach you an easier way, so if you have trouble, you won't anymore. So how to make your magic ring is you take your hook and your first band. This is going to be my cap band color, black. And I'm going to wrap it around my hook 3 times. And you wrapped it around your hook 3 times because there's 3 loops. So I have 1 and 2, 3 loops. So you're going to get your first band, put it on your hook, and slide the cap band onto your band, and then put it on and do a slip knot. So how to make a slip knot is you're going to take the first band and slide it through the next. Then you're going to put it back in. And by the way, I'm making a magic ring of 6 stitches. That means I'm going to put 6 bands in this magic ring. And I'm going to use rainbow colors so you guys know what I'm doing and it just won't be as confusing as all same color. So then I'm going to put it back in the 3 loops, making sure I have 3. And then I'm going to take my next band, and then I'm going to put it on my hook, and then pull it through the cap band only, so leaving this loop alone, and putting the loop I had on the hook. Then I'm going to slide it through the other 2 loops, like that. I just did 2 single crochets because this is my first loop, 1 and 2 is on my hook. Then I'm going to go back inside the cap band again, making sure I have 3 loops, 1, 2, and 3. Take my next band and put it, and then bring it through the cap band only, and then put the other side on your hook, then slide. Oops. So, I'm gonna slide it. Then you're gonna go back inside, making sure you have 3 loops. 1, 2, and 3. Take this, bring it through the cap band only, put it on, and do your single crochet. You're going to go back inside again, making sure you have 3 loops. 1, 2, and 3. Take your next band and bring it through the cap band only, put it back on, do your single crochet. And then last time, go back inside, making sure I have 3 loops. Take your last band, pull it through cap band only, put the other side on, and do your crochet. And then when you're going to start your next row, you're going to go inside your first stitch, and it's this one, not this weird looking stitch that goes up, it's this one. And before you do that, you want to make sure you have 6 stitches all around. So counting the V looking loops, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is on my hook. So I have 6 stitches and that's what I want. So I'm going to go in my first stitch, take my first band, bring it through that first stitch only, and that will be 2 loops, and then put it on my hook and do the crochet. So this is what it shall look like, and then you're going to do your round again or whatever creation you're making. So this is the way I do my magic ring. I hope you guys enjoyed and now understand what you guys are doing. So thanks so much. Bye.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.